Hello, art enthusiasts and creative souls. Today, we'll embark on a fascinating drawing journey. But before we dive into this artistic adventure, let me remind you that if you haven't already, I encourage you to click that subscribe button. Activate the bell so you won't miss a single stroke, and leave a generous like to support this channel. Moreover, your comments are the driving force behind this vibrant community, so feel free to share your thoughts. In the ethereal realm of spirits and specters, there exists a peculiar character named Barnaby, a once-living owl now transformed into the shadowy essence of his former self. Renowned for his love of revelry and mischief, Barnaby has found solace in hosting otherworldly parties in his mansion for spectral guests. Barnaby's uniqueness lies in his possession of the reality gem, a powerful artifact granting him control over the fabric of reality. This gem allows him to manipulate the world around him, creating surreal and cartoonish scenarios at will. The story unfolds when two daring intruders, Billie and Oscar, attempt to claim the coveted reality gem. Little do they know that Barnaby is not one to easily part with his treasures. In an extravagant encounter, Barnaby materializes to confront the intruders, insisting that Billie has arrived early for his party. Disinterested in the festivities, Billie declares her sole interest in the gem. Fascinated by Billie's mortal existence, Barnaby contemplates adding her to his spectral gathering, suggesting sinister ways to end her life. As the bizarre conversation progresses, Barnaby's eccentricity takes center stage. He playfully toys with Billie's physical appearance and offers her the option to join his party through death. Billie, defiant and bold, rejects all proposed methods. What follows is a whimsical chase, where Barnaby, with his imposing wings and brilliant plumage, pursues Billie through surreal landscapes created by the powers of the reality gem. The encounter showcases Barnaby's quirky personality and his love for turning every situation into a game. Dressed in an extravagant outfit with a bow tie and a vest adorned with an oval-shaped gem, the reality gem, Barnaby embodies the epitome of an otherworldly party host. His bright eyes and playful behavior add an extra layer of eccentricity to his character. Barnaby's strange and comical antics, coupled with his reality-twisting abilities, make him a fascinating and unpredictable entity in the supernatural realm. As the story unfolds, it becomes clear that challenging Barnaby is not only fun but also an invitation to a strange and entertaining adventure in the afterlife. Before concluding, I want to express my sincere gratitude for being part of this creative community. Your likes, subscriptions, and comments are like brushstrokes that bring this channel to life. And as I always say, this is just the beginning of an exciting journey. Until the next video, keep creating and exploring your own magic. We'll meet again in the next masterpiece. See you soon.